Hello, good morning, ma'am. This side Afrin Alvi, and I'm going to review the movie about Shadi Mein Zarur Aana, and this is one of my best inspirational movie through which I get to learn a lot of things. So yeah, what I learned through this movie and what I experienced in this movie. So today I'm going to share everything about this movie. So before sharing everything, let me share some relevant point about this movie, that director, producer and singer, actor, actress. So the movie is released on 10th November 2017, and the director of this movie is Anand Raj and Rashid Khan, and the music director of this movie is Ratna Sinha, and the producer of this movie is Vinod Bachchan, Kalim Khan, and the actor of this movie is and so some actor. So yeah, the actor of this movie is Rajkumar Rao, who is very much celebrated in the industry of Bollywood, and the actress of this movie is Kriti Kharbanda. एंड शादी में ज़रूर आना, तू बन जा गली बनारस की, मैं शाम तलक भटकूं तुझ में यार. दिस इज़ द सॉन्ग ऑफ दिस मूवी, एंड ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार अंजाम तू ही देखेगी, एंड दिस वन इज़ ऑल्सो द सॉन्ग ऑफ दिस मूवी. एंड so let me share the story, that what's the story, what happened in this movie. So yeah, let's go back. So Kriti, it means Kriti Kharbanda, who was who was very much curious, who used to be very much fond of her the education and study. She loved her study and education. She always tried to follow her passion, whatever she is used to be dreaming. Actually, she have interest in the field of UPSC aspirant, and yeah, his father was his father want that I must completed my responsibility, and now you should get married. On that time, heroine was like, Kriti was like, no, Papa, I just wanted to pursue my further degree. How could you do with me? I don't want to be get married. Please don't do this with me. And on suppressing a lot of forces, she just get her ready, and his father said that just go and meet the boy. First you should meet and know the boy to whom you are gonna to be engaged, and then on that time she just met the Rajkumar Rao, and his father also sent him to just go and meet the girl. So they just planned to meet in the coffee bar, and in coffee bar they just met with each other, and they introduced themselves. After introducing themselves, they gradually they started to get to know each other, and they were feeling too fine with each other, and they just agree to get engaged with each other. And what happened, and but on that time in the first meeting, the heroine was like, Kriti was like ki, there is one demand from my side. If you would be agree, then I'm gonna to be engaged with you, otherwise no. So hero was like, okay, just put your demand. If I'll not complete your desired demand, then you can leave me. And heroine was like, yeah, after getting married, you will give me permit for doing a job. You will not denied me for doing the job. And he was like, it's okay, this is such a small demand. Definitely you're free to do your job after marriage. But Satyendra, it means yeah, the Rajkumar Rao was named by the Satyendra and Sattu. So yeah, Rajkumar Rao actor was like he was too much innocent, but his father and actor both were agreed with this, that she may do job after getting married. But his mother, it means hero's mother, Rajkumar Rao mother, wouldn't be had not agree for this. She was not permit her to do job, but she was totally heroine, it means Kriti was totally unknown with that. She was thinking that I will do my job after marriage. See, it was her apprehension might be. So yeah, on the gradually they just engaged with each other, and but before engaging with each other, they started to talk with each other. And he often he used to be go his college for the for the sake of picking her, and while returning he just drop her his home, sorry, her home. And then after what happened, these things were going on continuously. And then after Actually, when the shadi, it means marriage date came, and but the, heroine's mother, it means Kriti mother said to his mother-in-law, it means actor's mother said to sorry, actress mothers, it means Kriti's mother said to the hero's mother that my daughter is too lucky that she is going to engage with your son, it just because he is allowing her to do job after marriage. And his mother was like, no, not at all. I will never permit her to do job after marriage. What the society is gonna do be said, blah blah blah. But when she get to know, she was like, she was too surprised. But your son promised to my sister, to my daughter, that he will allow to do job. That's why my daughter is gonna to be married with her. So on that time, on the same date, on the date of marriage, yeah, she was fully ready with in her costume, in the grooming costume. And on the same date, she just came to know she has cracked her UPSC exams. And her sister, elder sister, get to know that her mother-in-law is not allowing her, will not allow her to do job after marriage. And when she get to know, she just informed to the Kriti, it means heroine, and heroine get to know she has cleared her exams. And uh, but on that time, her elder sister said to her, Kriti, just go away, just go away from the Sattu. He will never allow you to do job. She just pursued her a lot. Just go. You will get a thousand kind of Sattu in your life. It means Rajkumar Rao hero. You will get a lot of heroes in your life. But first you should give your priority to the education, your job, your life, not to the your partner. You will get your partner after doing this job. Just go. And after giving a lot of inspiration, Sattu was totally confused. No, heroine was Kriti was totally confused that should I go or not. I don't want her to leave Sattu. But on putting a lot of force, his mama and his mother, her mother, her mama, and her and her elder sister enforcing her a lot to just go away. You will get a life partner after your job, so just go away. So after listening all these things, she was dreaming actually whatever she used to be dreaming before his life, and for her dream life she just got that. And finally or eventually she just cracked that exams. So she ran away. Finally she literally she ran away. And that was this moment and circumstances. I was like, how could it happen, yeah? And what I could do. It was like but you know what? After seeing this movie, a lot of persons asked that literally girls do very wrong. I was like, no, she didn't do wrong, because I think every girls must be choose their prioritize their education. Because until or unless, you know what, education, for the getting education, girls fought a lot. Without fighting, no any girls I think get their higher education. So achieving this goal, for achieving their dream life, I think she didn't do wrong. I just shared my own review, but it's okay. And what she do, like when Satyendra get to know, and it means the hero get to know that heroine ran away due to the reason of when she get to know his mother had not allow her to do job. That's the reason she ran away from you. And on that time, Kriti's parents demanded his 25 lakh rupees in return, like in dowry, whatever he just gave in the dowry. They were demanding back for returning back for their money. And Hero's parents were not agree to return that money. But at last, when Hero get everything, no, just Hero decided to return their money. And on that time, finally, Sattu returned every dowry and money to their parents. And after 5 years, what happened, she became officer. Kriti became officer. But later on, when Sattu get to know the reality, what was the exact like pretend for running away on the date of marriage. When he get to know, na, it was the too much crying moment when he get to know the reality that for which reason she just teased him or stumbled on him. So from that inspiration he just got a lot of from that circumstances or situation he get a lot of inspiration, self inspiration. Now he's also gonna to be a IS officer. He put his struggle a lot, he faced a lot of challenges, and finally he also became a IS officer. And then where in which office he used to be IS officer, and on that time after later 1 year later, heroine was in full of debt. It means curse. She was full of in debt of 3 crore. And this was the situation where heroine get resigned, get the axe from his designation. So heroine was pineless, and heroine was helpless on that time. At that time hero became IS officer, and when she came to his office, and when she saw to Sattu, you are the IS officer. She get very surprised how it could be possible. Actually, you are that kind of person who was not studying well and who did not take interest in education, and now you are IS officer. And on that time, during that situation, Sattu just take every little revenge whatever she did in his past. So after knowing all those things, there was a very sorry, the circumstances became very bad. There was a trifle between them, and like Sattu get to know that she has get a bribery of 3 crore from this from the company. And she is a cheater, and she just cheat to everyone. And she just got the tax of 3 crore rupees. And Sattu was saying that you will have to be pay this debt within a days, within some days. So Sattu was Kriti was like, no, I haven't do such kind of things. It is just a game. Someone is playing with me. I haven't do such kind of things. Why you people are not believing me? But his friend saw a video. In that video, Sattu get to know that. She was right. She haven't taken any bribe, and somehow he just returned his 3 crore rupees to his family. Her family. And on that time, after few months, Sattu again get to know that she's gonna to be married with someone else. But on that time, gradually again Sattu started to fall in love with her, because it was the moment he was not able to forget her. When he get to know, he started to feel envy and jealous inside. And she just invited him. It means Sattu ki शादी में ज़रूर आना. It means you please came in my marriage party, you must came. And Sattu was not going in his party, but his parents was going in that party. And but the Sattu was neglected these things. No, nobody have to go in that marriage party. Nobody will go. And but his parents didn't listen him. And everyone went to her marriage party. And eventually the Sattu also went in her marriage party. It was the marriage party was as a game to check the Sattu's reaction. And you know what, this the couple of the partner of the heroine was his brother-in-law, elder brother-in-law, his husband of his elder sister. That was just a game they had played. And after when he went in her marriage party, and Sattu and Kriti met personally in a room, and they just decide again they fall in love with each other. But when Sattu again give proposal to her, and she was like, it's too late now, nothing could be happen, let me marry, because someone is waiting for me, I'll have to go and I'll have to marry with him. Sattu was like, no, you can't do marry, because I can see the love in your eyes. Still, you love me, but you are hiding these things. But Kriti was like, it's too late now. I'll have to go, and someone is waiting for me. Sattu was like, no, you can't leave me. And now I realized, we both realized, when he get a very angry mood, and he just take a gun, and he was going to shoot his elder sister's husband. And it was the game like, Sattu couldn't be married with you, she's only mine. And on that time everyone get to know it was just the game. And after that they just get married, and this was the happy ending of this movie. Literally this movie is too awesome. And after seeing this movie I get to learn a lot of things like patience, self inspiration, education, priority, life, a lot of things I get to learn. So yeah, this was the story of this movie, and I just share my opinion and story of this movie. So yeah, this was the story told by the Afrin Alvi. Bye bye.